Okay, so what we have here is a 71 caprice hardtop. We're gonna be redoing window, rear window seal, where it sits. I took this door off already because I'm gonna be doing the lower door panels. I'm gonna be putting floors in, gonna be remanufacturing, restoring, refurbing kind of spots on this car. Show you the doors when I'm done with all of this. But this is what you call donk restoration. For y'all that ain't from the dirty South, that's putting these old school Chevys in the game. Restoring them, restoration, bringing them back to life. Like I say, this is a 71 hardtop. It's got nitrous lines already running in it. And we're gonna go ahead and bring her back.